So in the last video, we talked about printer poop or filament purge and how our 3D printer stands manage that poop using the poop chute in the back and the hidden poop bin underneath. And in this video, we're going to talk about modularity. So we're pulling the stands off the wall just to show how we can mix and match the parts. And as you can see, they're held to the wall by French cleats. So you don't have to hang your printers from the wall. Every printer comes with a leveling base that goes on the floor. It has adjusting leveling feet, and you can place the printer stand on top of that. So we're just putting the base on top of our workbench to film. It's easier to film out in the workshop, but you can put the base anywhere, on top of a table or on the floor. Just as long as you can level things out, the stand should work great. So every shelf has these bolt holes. They are on the sides, the top, and the bottom. This makes it so you can bolt all the stand pieces together. It also makes it really modular, and when you bolt everything together, it's very sturdy. And this is the AMS shelf. It doesn't have to go above the printer, it can go below. The printer can go right on top. And then you can put the top cap shelf right on top of the printer. So you have some extra space either for more filament or for supplies or even another printer. So let's say you have two AMSs. You can add the printer and multiple AMS shelves. So keep in mind these will all bolt together and be really sturdy, but we do recommend that you put at least one screw through the back of the shelves into the wall. And we've provided you with these screw holes that will allow you to find a stud and secure them to the wall so that they don't fall over. Adding a screw through the back of the shelves also helps a bit with vibration. So that works really well with multiple AMSs. But what if you have multiple printers? Well, you can stack them on top of each other as well. And you could add your AMSs wherever you want and cap the top. Think of these as Lego building blocks. You can add them and bolt them together pretty much in any configuration. Well, maybe not diagonally, but side to side or up and down. By the way, we use these really cool furniture bolts to do all the bolting together. They're recessed into the sides, the bottom and the top, so they don't protrude and knock into anything. They bolt together like that. They're really easy to add and adjust and tighten, and these are included with the stands also. And if you want to go crazy with it, you can add another printer shelf. Also, if you use a combination of bolting these to the wall on French cleats or just with regular screws or bolts, you can also do some pretty strange stuff. I guess you could do this if you had 3 AMSs and only one printer. It is kind of strange. Here's a pretty weird one. Again, bolt these or screw these to the wall. This is very unstable. It will work because of the modularity, but I definitely recommend you bolt all the shelves together and screw them to the wall. And if you purchase a stand from us, we do plan on selling each individual shelf separately on our website. We just haven't put them up there yet. Check back at our site. We might probably, hopefully have them up now. If not, we'll have them up soon. So in the next video, we're going to show how we assemble a stand from scratch. We're just waiting on our manufacturer to send us all the parts so we can check them out and then put it together, and we'll film it. We'll post it here. We'll also have some tips and tricks on how to assemble them when you glue and screw them together. That will make your life a lot easier if you were to buy a kit from us. Cool, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more.